Namaste, my name is Katie. I am from India, and today we talk about a very, very spiritual place. As you see, you know that to see my thumbnail, that's yes, we are talk about today. We talk about to Ayodhya Ji. It's a very, very special to every Indian person and everyone who loves and who feels who wanted to peace and historic culture and spirituality also. So that's kind of thing that I am say about India. Ayodhya, I'm so sorry. And you know what, Ayodhya ji is very, very close to my heart because of Hanumanji. I believe that Hanumanji is my father, I'm his daughter, and everyone their own relationship with God, so I am make this relationship with my Hanumanji. Okay, so now we don't waste our time. Let's go. So Ayodhya ji, it's a place in Uttar Pradesh and located in Uttar Pradesh, the bank of Saryu River, and it is the pure spiritual, traditional, and cultural place. It is deeply connected to India, like Indian heart, like that, in an emotional way. Okay, and there's a lots of Indians and lots of foreigners are coming because of feel the emotional peace and mental peace and show and feel the spirituality. That's why everyone is come to see the Ayodhya and feel the very good peace in mind. This is my also experience. I was visited in Diwali, last Diwali 2025. So it's a very good experience for me. I'm go and I feel so good. Okay, and I have a notebook, so I'm just say some lines and then I tell you, because I don't want to say anything wrong, and I give you the right information. It's all based on internet knowledge and of my personal experience also. So according to Ayodhya, what's the specialty of Ayodhya? What's the story to behind the Ayodhya place? It is a birthplace of Lord Rama, and he is a very respected deity in India, because we are Hinduism. So in Hinduism, Sanatan Dharma, the Lord Rama is a very, very respected deity in Hindu Dharma. Okay, so in India, we all very respect to we are very feel respect and give respect. Okay, and according to epic Ramayana, the Lord Rama was born in this kind of place and spent his all the major childhood and so many things like following truth and duty and morality. So that's why they especially dedicate to Lord Rama. Okay, and what's the specialty? Because the Ayodhya ji is very important and very famous place is Ram Mandir, and most famous in Ayodhya ji because of its faith, its patience, and unity. And you know what? The architecture makes a temple. It's very, very good. It's a royalty and natural Indian architecturing details in traditional Indian building and temple, like a old fashioned Asian type of design they do, and it's a very beautiful. It's very, very, very beautiful, and it's a in spiritual symbol also. And you know what, there are so many things in Ayodhya ji, so you must visit in a once in your life. I am definitely um, confident that you feel so much spirituality in the Ayodhya ji. Okay, and you know what? In the Ayodhya ji, we celebrate more and many festivals like Deepavali, Ram Navami, and Dashehra and Deeposatsav. What's the meaning and how can I we celebrate like that? So we making a diya, oil lamps, okay, and firecrackers, making a sweet because the Lord Rama is returned. The Lord Rama was returned in his Ayodhya, so that's why we're making the celebration. So we do so many things, and everyone his decorate his house with lights in the Asian time. Now we also use fairy lights and Diwali lights, whatever you say, making the rangoli and a kind of thing. so especially for Lord Rama. Okay. And the traditional clothes was a traditional clothes we in the India we because of Ayodhya is a spiritual place, so we mostly considered to simple and authentic clothes. Like men's are usually wear kurta pajama when we are go to temple, and the women's are wear like sari or salwar suit like that. And you know what, before you go to Ram Mandir you must go in a you firstly must go to the Saryu Nadi, we called Saryu Ghat. Okay. In local language. And the peoples go and dips, holy dips in the river, and then performing prayer and evening, and then evening aarti in the river bank, and they feel a very spiritual and very peace. It give me the most spiritual and peace of mind, I can explain my word, I can explain in my words. You just feel something. Sometimes you just only feel it, you can't express, you can't explain it how much you feel it. Okay. And one more thing, before you go to Ram Darbar, you must go first after Saryu Ghat to Hanuman Gadi, like a guard, like a bodyguard. So Hanumanji is a bodyguard, he's a brother of Hanumanji, he's a son of Hanumanji. And so before you meet a king, so you just get the permission of a minister or commander like that. So we firstly go to Hanumanji praying, and offer some sweets and flowers and flower garland and so many things, and we pray worship, performing prayers and so many things. And then we are go to Ayodhya ji and in the Ram Mandir, and then you see the Ram Lala. Ram Lala in childhood form, so we call Ram Lala. And also the Ram Darbar is present in the second floor in the Ayodhya ji. Okay. And in Ayodhya, Ayodhya ji, if you want a food, try to food. So they are only because of the spiritual place, so mostly you have vegetarian food and some street food. You must like it, you tried that how much it tastes like spicy and termite and all the things that um, are mixed up in the street, and all kinds of food but in a vegetarian way. So they are here. And I think I'm say everything right because I'm seeing my notebook, and I'm try to improve my English speaking and making a video, because I'm not a camera shy girl. But yeah, I'm a little bit of camera shy, that camera shy because of lack of confidence, that I'm not say anything wrong in camera, because there's a information, there's a knowledge about India and the place and everything. So that's why I hope I'm say anything everything is right. And I hope I try to understand, I am explaining my things so you are understanding what I'm saying, what I'm trying to say you. And if I'm saying anything wrong, so please, I'm so sorry in advance. And if you like my efforts, I'm saying again, so please give me the like, share and comment please. And give me the hope and motivation to make more videos. And I'm making so many videos. I hope and try I'm making regular videos, but if I'm not, so I'm definitely make of alternative days making the video and post it. So thank you so much for listening. Bye bye.